Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons and initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Kadderu, computer teacher for standard 2nd. So children, today let us start with chapter 4, uses of computer. So children, you already know what is computer, what are the parts of the computer. Now let us study what all uses are there of computer. So first let us start with introduction. So children, you already know computer can perform many tasks, isn't it? At your schools you have seen, at your homes you have seen, colleges, offices, banks, railway stations, etc. So now let us study all these uses one by one. So computers are used for number of tasks in schools, railway stations, airports, hospitals, offices, and not only these but also they are used in designing clothes, cars, books, magazines, and also in launching of rockets. Even in the space science we use computers. So children, first let us study what all uses are there of computers in schools. Firstly, we use computers in schools for various purposes. First one is to prepare timetables. Secondly, we use to prepare records of the fees. You can see in your office whenever you pay the fees that everything is recorded in the school computer. You have seen, I guess, isn't it? So to record the fees, fee records can be done. Next we have students record. You might have seen your class teacher maintaining the records of you, individual records in the computer. That is your name, roll number, mother's name, father's name, your current residential address, phone numbers, etc. So to maintain the students record we use computers. Next we use in teaching. When your teacher explains you using the chalk and board, it is you can listen for hardly half an hour, 1 hour, but after that you get bored. But same thing if your teacher tries to explain it with the help of the computer or the projector, you feel it very interesting, right? So computers are used in teaching also. Next we have in libraries. You might have seen your library is also using computers, that how many books are there in your library, how many books are being issued to students, how many books are issued to the teachers, how many have returned them back, isn't it? So every record she can't remember. So what she do? She records everything in the computer. Next we have to write circulars. So whenever any notice is being sent to you or your parents by the school, it is typed, that is written with the help of computer, isn't it? So like this you can see here, together we can fight novel coronavirus COVID-19. So this is written or typed with the help of computer so that easily it can be displayed very nicely with pictures, or handwriting is good, isn't it? So to write the circulars also we use computer. Next we have in railway stations and airports. You commonly know that whenever we want to travel we have to book the tickets. So this ticket booking can be done with the help of computer. Next we have provide information about train or flight timings. Sometimes the train might be delayed or flights might also be delayed, isn't it? So every information about the train and flight can also be taken with the help of computers. So children, you know, we can say that computers are used for performing various tasks in various fields. Next we have in making films. So children, when you see here, the child is very excited to see the cartoon films. Are you also excited to see? Yes. So to make this cartoon or the animated movies we use computers. So computers are used for making cartoon films and also create animations for the movies. Now children, whenever you see the animated movies, that is we observe that all the cartoons are present lively, that is in front of us, isn't it? So such type of the animations can also be done with the help of computers. Next we have banks. So children, can you tell where we can use in banks? Yes. So in banks they use them to keep the details of bank account of its customer. So whoever customer goes, every record of that customer is recorded in the computer. That is what is his account number, his residential address, phone number, how much money he is having in his account, how much he has withdrawn from the account. Every details of that customer is been recorded in the computer. Not only that, but also we use ATMs to withdraw the money. So ATM is nothing but again it is also computerized, so that you can enter the amount you have you want and you will withdraw it. So again these are the uses of computers which we use in banks.